If you love mushrooms, you are going to love this recipe. I'm Tess, and today I'm going to show you how to make marinated mushrooms. Stay tuned. This marinated mushroom recipe is so easy, and it is great for an appetizer or snack for parties and get-togethers. You can use button mushrooms or baby Bella mushrooms for this recipe. I'm using about a pound of mushrooms, and these are the smallest that I could find. They will shrink considerably when cooked. If you use bigger mushrooms, you can half or quarter them. I cleaned the mushrooms, and now we are ready to cook. I have a pan of salted water that I'm bringing to a boil and adding in the cleaned mushrooms. I'm going to let these cook for about 3 to 4 minutes just until they're tender, and then I'm going to drain and let them cool to room temperature. I am saving the mushroom broth for soup. Don't throw it away, it has some great flavor. I'm going to make a homemade dressing for the marinated mushrooms, but you can make this really easy and skip this step and use your favorite Italian or Greek dressing. In a bowl, I'm combining some extra virgin olive oil, apple cider vinegar, and I have used red wine vinegar in the past, salt, peppercorns, oregano, brown sugar, Dijon mustard, some red pepper flakes for a little heat, a bay leaf, sliced or minced garlic, and some finely diced red onions, giving that a good whisk until well incorporated. Now I'm adding the cooled mushrooms in the bowl along with some fresh chopped parsley, a small jar of drained pimentos, and some cooked pearl onions. I found these jarred pearl onions at our local grocery store. Giving everything a good gentle toss. Putting this in a lidded container in the refrigerator for at least 8 hours, and even up to 3 to 5 days is even better. The marinated mushrooms are to be served at room temperature. These marinated mushrooms are so good, and they don't last very long. You may want to double up the recipe. I hope you give these easy and delicious marinated mushrooms a try, and enjoy. If you like this recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Steamit, Facebook, and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!